Hello, welcome to our lesson. In this lesson, titled English for AI and Machine Learning, we are going to explore key concepts and terminologies related to artificial intelligence and machine learning to equip ESL learners with core vocabulary to talk about this topic or discuss them with their peers. Our objective of this lesson are to gain familiarity with essential vocabulary in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, develop a solid grasp of how these technologies work and how technologies like supervised learning, neural networks, and natural language processing work, and be able to discuss and apply your knowledge of AI and machine learning in conversational English. Let's begin with key terminology related to artificial intelligence. Automation. Automation refers to developing computer systems that can perform human-like tasks. Machine learning is the process by which artificial intelligence systems learn and improve from experience. How about data-driven? Data-driven refers to the use of large data sets to make decisions. And then natural language processing, or NLP. NLP involves understanding and generating human language. And then we have computer vision. Computer vision is the technology that analyzes visual data to identify objects and patterns, while robotics involve developing autonomous robots for precision tasks. Collectively, these concepts form the foundation of artificial intelligence. Next, we delve into machine learning terminology. First, algorithm. What are algorithms? Algorithms are the driving force behind machine learning systems, using training data to develop models that make predictions. Then we have supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training algorithms on labeled data to map inputs to outputs. In contrast, we have unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning discovers patterns from unlabeled data without predefined output. And then neural networks. Neural networks inspired by human brain are used to process complex data. But talk about supervised learning. What is supervised learning? Quote, supervised learning involves data collections where labeled data sets are gathered for training. And during model training, parameters are adjusted to minimize errors. And then predictions. Prediction applies to the learned pattern to new data along the model to make accurate forecasts or classifications. Now, how about unsupervised learning? Unlike supervised learning, unlike supervised learning is where the algorithm explores data without any pre-existing labels. After that, the key technique in unsupervised learning includes clustering. In clustering, it groups data without labels, and after that, it has to find anomaly. Then that's what we call anomaly detection. In anomaly detection, it identifies the outliers in the data, those that don't look like the others. After that, we have dimensionality reduction. In this case, it simplifies the complex data structures. This type of learning uncovers hidden structures and insight that may not be immediately obvious. Now, we have talked about artificial intelligence and machine learning. But now, today we have artificial intelligence or large language model like ChatGPT, Llama that we use every day. But how is that possible? It's thanks to natural language processing. Natural language processing or NLP is a critical field within AI. Machine translation, for example, Google Translate or DeepL, translate text from one language to another using AI. Sentiment then in natural language processing, we have sentiment analysis. In sentiment analysis, the system identifies the emotional tones or opinion expressed in text. And then we have name entity recognition. Name entity recognition is when it classifies key elements like people, organization, and location within text. Then after that, what's next? Text summarization. In text summarization, the system generates concise summaries of longer documents, while speech recognition transcribes spoken language into written text. And then We have chatbot. Today we have a lot of chatbot. Chatbot are AI-powered conversational interfaces that can engage in natural dialogue. Now, we have application of AI and machine learning in computer science. AI and machine learning have numerous applications in computer science. Predictive analytics uses data to make focus, helping in fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing, and now even education. Automation streamlines repetitive tasks, improving efficiency and allowing humans to focus on strategic and creative work. We have, for example, computer vision, which enable technologies like facial recognition and autonomous vehicles, while NLP powers chatbot and language translation tools. Now, it's practice time. Let's review what you have learned with some practice questions. For example, which term describes a simulation of human intelligence in machine? Or what problem occurs when a machine learning model performs well on training data but poorly on new data? This question will help solidify your understanding of the key concept we have just discussed. You can pause the video and try to answer the questions. Now, have you paused the video? Were you able to find the correct answers? If you get most of them correct, congratulations. If you were not able to do that, don't worry. You'll always be able to learn. Keep practicing because practice makes perfect. Now, let's wrap up. In this lesson, we have explored key AI and machine learning concepts such as supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. We have also discussed practical applications like facial recognition and automation and covered common challenges like overfitting. Continue practicing these concepts and get ready for the practical exercises in the next section. As a disclaimer, this lesson is not a computer science course. It's a course designed to help students who are learning English in the field of computer science.